We're gonna make some s'mores, more specifically, drunken bacon s'mores. Bacon, marshmallows, chocolate, and whiskey. What could go wrong? Okay, first up, we're gonna melt chocolate over the fire with a little bit of whiskey. All right, take your whiskey, chuck a wee dram in there. Beauty. All right, just gonna take that off the fire. You can dip one side in the chocolate right there. Okay, so now your crackers are covered in your chocolate. I'm gonna cook the bacon. Start it off in a cold pan, straight on the heat. Bacon is there. I'm just gonna take that off the heat. Finally, marshmallow. All right, I'm gonna call it that. Graham cracker with the chocolate. Take a rasher of bacon, sandwich it down with your other cracker. There you go. Oh my word.